स्त्री शक्ति सर्वदा कार्ये साधिका, नारी पूज्यते यत्र सुखम तत्र सदा. अर्थात women are always powerful and the achievers of work. Where women are respected, happiness prevails forever. Namaskar everyone. It is a pleasure to share about my little journey, one that has been shaped by hard work, dedication and a deep passion for engineering excellence and workplace safety. I am Anju Pathak, currently serving as the Deputy General Manager Electrical in EHS Department at BSES Yamuna Power Limited, a role I have held for over 14 years. My professional journey has been driven by a singular goal: to create a safer, more efficient and risk-free working environment for everyone. From earning my BTech in Electrical Engineering from GB Pant Engineering College, Uttarakhand, to specializing in industrial safety from Regional Labour Institute, Faridabad, I have always believed in the power of knowledge and continuous learning. Throughout my career, I have had the privilege of implementing innovative safety strategies, training employees, and developing systems that not only ensure compliance but actively reduce workplace hazards. One of my proudest achievements has been the creation of Safety Management System Portal, an in-house, real-time GPS-enabled tool that helps capture unsafe conditions and acts, ensuring quick resolution. My role also involves leading safety audits, risk assessments and large-scale training programs to instill a culture of safety in the organization. Beyond my professional responsibilities, I am deeply committed to community awareness initiatives through public safety programs, RWA meetings, Munadi, and even street plays like Nukkad Nataks. I have worked to bring electrical safety education beyond the workplace and into the community. One of the most exciting and fulfilling moments in my journey has been my association with V-Power 100 2.0. a prestigious platform that recognizes women leaders in the power sector. Being a part of this initiative has reaffirmed my belief in the power of diversity and inclusion in our industry. It is a reminder that as a women profession, we are not just contributing to the sector, we are redefining it. The V-Power is more than an achievement. It is a movement that inspires more women to break barriers and lead with confidence. My journey has been filled with challenges, but even one has been an opportunity to grow, learn, and make an impact. The recognition and awards I have received, including the Gold Award at ICQCC in EHS, are not just personal achievements, they represent the collective efforts of my team and the trust placed in me. As I continue forward, my mission remains clear: to create safer workplaces, empower people with the right knowledge, and drive innovation in the field of environment, health, and safety. I firmly believe that safety and sustainability go hand in hand, and with the platform like V-Power, we have the power to shape a future where safety, efficiency, and inclusion define the energy sector. Thank you one and all for this wonderful journey, and let's continue working together to build safer, stronger and more inclusive future. As we celebrate women empowerment in power sector, I would like to conclude with a small poem I wrote. समान है आसमान, समान है जमीन, फिर क्यों करते हैं सभी भेदभाव कभी कभी. अच्छी हो शिक्षा, ऊंचा रखो हौसला, हिम्मत ना हारना सकी, मेहनत में ना आए कमी. आएंगी रास्ते में बहुत सी मुश्किल, ठाना है तो करेंगे हासिल. किरदार निभाने हैं अनेक, मिलकर सहेली हम लेंगे देख. घर हो या ऑफिस की जिम्मेदारी, हंसते हंसते लेंगे पूरी भागीदारी. माँ, बेटी, बहू, बीवी का फर्ज निभाती, चेहरे पे कभी इनके शिकन ना आती. माना अलग है पुरुष और स्त्री, मगर मिले मौका सबको बराबरी. सबको जीवन देने वाली यही नारी शक्ति किसी से भी कम नहीं. हर हक मिले नारी को, कंधे से कंधा मिलाकर चलने दो. अब ऊंची है बरनी उड़ान, पंख फैलाओ दिले नादा.